Welcome WBP Stars. Thank you for having us. My name is Max from Sterren. I'm the chef de cuisine and I'm going to prepare the red mullet. So first we take the head off and then we fillet the mullets, not all the way through because we want to keep the tail piece in one part. Once again, not all the way through, because at the end we're going to put it back together. So we take the bones out. Cut off the belly bones. Then we take the tweezer and take out all the bones out of the fillet. The other side as well. Always important to check all the bones are out. So now you have the whole fish still attached. Now we're going to put it back together like this. We put it back in the fridge for around 3 hours, so the natural proteins will stick the fish back together. Then eventually you have this result. So we cut the fish in half. I can't do it right now, but we cut the fish in half, and this will be the result at the end. Then we have the squid. The squid is already cooked a little bit, slow cooked. Then they're very thinly sliced, and then we burn it just a little bit so it gets a nice charred taste. And finish it off with a little bit of oil of garlic and some citrus. So now we're going to start plating the dish. At this moment we're cooking the fish in the oven on 58 degrees on steam. I think it's going to be about 4 minutes. So Fabrice is starting with the mango cubes and some cream of the coconut. Some crisp of the coconut as well. And in the meantime we char the red mullet just a little bit so the skin gets a little bit crispy. Then we glaze the mullet with the sauce that's going to be with the dish as well. And the sauce is made of the claws of the langoustines. So we make a stock, we reduce it very intensely. And then finish it off with some lemongrass, citrus, ginger. We season it with lime, piment and salt. Then on top there comes the squid. As well with a gel of mango and once again the coconut cream, mango cubes, some pommes soufflés, crisp of a coconut. And then at the end, some herbs from our own garden. So then we're gonna put the fish on the plate. Next to it is a coulis of yellow curry and coconut. Then a foam of yellow curry as well, with again some lemongrass, citrus, and cilantro. And at the end, the sauce from the claws of the langoustine. And that's our red mullet dish. Thank you.